We're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Shake Shack. So bad. We headed to the islands. I want to say we just know we're going to the islands. Okay.
Olha que coisa mais linda, mais cheia de graça, ela menina.
Hi. Do you guys have a pina colada?
Yeah, I do. Are you sure that's what you want, or do you want something that's a little more special for you?
Okay. I like something that's special for me.
What do you typically like to drink?
A pina colada.
Okay, well, maybe that's
In the islands, baby. We in the islands. And cheers to my first drinky drink. Pina colada. I love me a sweet, pretty drink. Tell me why they gave me a shot in the house, because my cocktail was taking ages. But like the shot is too big. What do I look like? I'm not a sailor. I'm done. That's too much. I'm not a drinker. I don't drink like that. You can come closer. Thank you. And that is how you do it. That is how you get pics when you're out alone. You just gotta ask somebody, because they're not gonna say no. Thank you. They're never gonna say no. Engage with people before you ask them to take pictures of you. You see? Even traffic will stop if you smile. Just smile in life, guys. Just smile, okay? Just smile. No, thank you. How do you say no, thank you in Spanish? No gracias. No gracias. How do you say? It's hot.
Está caliente.
It's the caliente. Do you see? She is very much so Spanish. It's the caliente. Which cookie would you recommend? I've got a sweet tooth.
Okay, and do you want your free shot?
You believe it? Yes, ma'am. I'm in the mood to just shower. Hey, what is my Spanish name?
Omaira.
Omaira.
Yes.
Thank you. Gracias.
Have a great
Yes,
night.
you too. You heard it. Omaira. Okay, baby. Ain't no Ogutle. Ogutle. Cha. That's African.
Que vem que passa, doce balanço a cara. Moça do corpo dourado do sol de Ipanema, o céu balançado e mais que um poema.
Woke up in the islands and the water. It's a dream. Let's go get a little pina colada. Right? Sure. A strawberry pina colada. Guys, I just had the sweetest interaction. I'm just walking, taking pics on my film camera. These two older men stopped me. They must have been like in their 50s. They're gay men, so it wasn't all of them. They're like, you should be in the picture. I say, okay. And they start taking pictures of me. We get to talking with Herman and Larry. Love them so much. Herman says to me, you belong here. I say, don't do that. Ah! I feel like I'm always being spoken to by God himself through his people. Like, that was a message straight from God, if you could believe it. Those who know. I don't need to say much else. Those who understand will understand. Anyways, baby, we in Puerto. We in the islands. Let's see what else this island has to give me now.
Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it, yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can't.
up in here. So you can get, ooh, zoo. That is a bird. I think I'm gonna get a little shot of rum and be on my way.
You ever tried this rum?
Sorry?
You ever tried this rum? Margarito is the first rum for Rico actually.
It's looking for a new bottle just for me. My favorite thing about being me is going to places and just having people that go above and beyond for me. Free shots, complimentary this, extra that. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I'm nice and really engaging. This is the first rum ever in Puerto Rico. I don't know why there's so much. Sorry, is this one shot? It's very big here, huh? Oh, okay, thank you. This is just burnt my lips off. It's like drinking petroleum. Very strong, but I like it. It's very nice. Thank you. Sana, they are so kind. Offering me water because they can see. Hey. Hey. What's the next? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Hello.
Hi.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Todo bien?
I don't know what else. I don't speak Spanish. Let me finish my drink and get out of here. Not them giving me a shot. Should I take it? I don't know what they're saying, so I have to base it off flow.
Solo abren el dojo si la llave le damos. Y si la llave le damos, primo, vos sos un torpe. Te llenaste del poder y el poder es lo que te corrompe.
Ribeye are also good.
Okay, I don't eat beef.
And the jerk chicken.
It's spicy, no? I don't do spice. Guys, this is my song. Do you guys know I love Drake or what? I never cheated for the record back when I was rich. And this is Exploring, darling.
Bienvenido al vlog.
Bienvenido al vlog. Okay. Welcome to the vlog, baby. Good morning, dolls. It's day 3, I believe. And we are headed out, darling. I'm trying to do some more water sports. Hola, hola, hola. Okay, but not too much. Just hola. Not too much. Uno. Bolo quesadilla, s'il vous plaît. No. How do you say please? How do you say please? Please? Sí, por favor. Por favor. Something to drink? Thank you for asking. Por favor, for asking. I'm grabbing a little fighty fight before we go do the broom broom on the sea. Because I cannot stop. Okay? I can't do all that. I love this so much. Guacamole and coriander and some sort of creme fraiche. I've had enough. Let's go get ready to jet ski.
So if you guys like.
This tour guide Emma, guys. Say hello to Carlos. Hola. You guys want to see me ride or? You want to see me ride? You want to see me do a little bit of this? A little bit of that? A little bit of this and that? I'm at the cutest little beach. Came here after the jet skis, which I had the time of my life. The water's so blue. Get into it, but not too much now. I'm so risky with this camera out here, but you know, I have to bring you guys along. walking, Tina. Okay. On to the next spot. We're headed to the next spot. I asked her for a screenshot.
Give it a back and I'm putting shit. I'm so cool. Don't ask me.
Not the big dog picking me up. Okay, guys, we out of here. We going by Puerto Rico. Oh, so. Let me head on home. I have to get some sleep because tomorrow we have a day planned. Okay, so let us get some sleep. It's time to sleep. How I woke up this morning, I don't know. I only went to sleep at past 3. I was up at 7:30. 4 hours of sleep. Let me tell you something. I'm the vacator of activities and bookings, but man, I could use a nap. I could use a nap. But it's okay, you know, we're in the islands. When you're in Puerto, you gotta be in Puerto. Don't be out here sleeping. Sleep when you get home. You can always sleep. Sleep is one thing that is abundant. You don't need to have money. You don't need to feel good. You don't need to look good. You just do it. We're headed to ride the horses. Now, I don't think there's anything more appropriate to do than ride a horse while you're living that Caribbean life.
You speak Spanish very good.
I speak Spanish very good.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Yeah, muy bien.
Gracias.
Nada, de nada.
As you guys can hear, they said I speak Spanish phenomenally. What can I say? Mi nombre es Sofia.
Sofia?
No, that's not really my name. I'm just saying because I'm here in the islands.
My daughter Sofia.
Oh my gosh. No, I love Sofia. It's beautiful. I think it suits me. I have that Sofia thing. Gracias, and God bless.
Yeah, be careful.
I'm just really nervous about lizards. Like, oh my word. We are in the forest.
And then release the pressure.
Now Hercules. You gotta stop all of it. Okay? So Manu, we are Hercules. Yeah, go Herc. Yeah, get all Hercs. Hi Hercs. Kaloko pa dim op head to up. Hi Hercules. Hi Popoy. Hercules is my little darling. He's no longer interested in her eating. Kisses, get Hercs. Okay? Catch you on the flip, babe. Thank you. You're the best horsey ever. Thank you so much, Paola. That was amazing.
Glad you enjoyed it.
10 out of 10, guys. Oh my word. Puerto Rico. I love you. Gracias, Paula. Bye. Yeah, calculating, babe. Of which? Hi. My mom, guys, she's such a socialite. I call her and she shows me her surroundings and she's like, don't touch. And I'm like, do you know I'm your daughter? Do you understand that I'm your daughter, your baby, your last born child? She'd be like, okay, my oaks. So fun, I'm done. I'm in Puerto Rico. She deserves to live her life. Let me call my sister. Now hopefully Miss Thing answers because she's another busy girl. Okay, I'm in the forest, that's why. Enjoy boots. And that's my family, guys. Listen, God said. It's all okay. I'm a family girl. Riding horses in Puerto. Night out on the town. Doing the jet ski. Deep in the ocean. I'm an island girl through and through. I've got that island girl thing. So, my city, my nombre es Sofia. Zitax. Sorry. Chicken empanada. Oh my god, agua. No need for me to translate what agua means, right, guys? Water. H2O. Amans. Water. Cheers to the girls' weekend.
Today's our 50th anniversary.
You said 15? 1 5?
50.
50. What a place. Okay.
2 sons and 4 grandkids.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, 2 boys. We in Catania today. This is my, I don't know, 8th, 9th, 10th peanut.
Alright, cool. Alright, all you have to be that one. The back glass, all rungs are your head. And an angle to the left and that's okay. Say this is up. You lose a thing. Your tongue is let me know with ocho, but don't worry. Wrong.
Listen, that got a kick.
Kind of.
Smooth. If you top of it, when you time you're at home, couple, sit. Alright? And the sweet. Please. This
Yeah, I actually don't think I'm a fan of rum. I just like pina coladas.
Beverly and put me and you and send it to me also.
Okay, Miss Beverly. I have anyone do you want to shout out? Okay, come here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
So the
you.
most beautiful lady I met in Puerto Rico.
Get it. Thank you very much.
Miss Beverly.
Miss
Go ahead.
Beverly is in the building.
Okay.
Uh-huh. The best water in the world. So good. Can I go in deeper? I can. Let me put my phone away and enjoy for real. Hello, Shabby. Oh, Shammy's cold.
I am not defined by someone else's expectation of me. I give myself grace and room to evolve as I rediscover who I am. I will be patient with myself as I grow in this process. I am proud of myself for setting boundaries that express self-love. I will support those I love without sacrificing myself or my peace. I'm not everybody's.
Let's head home, guys. I done had enough. I seen enough. I did enough. I want to shower and I want to sleep. get this, please? Thank you.
Would you like the receipt?